this video, I will show you shortcut related to working with table in Microsoft Word. So we can see the cursor of the mouse is in first cell, and suppose you want to jump to the next cell, then press tab. Suppose again we have to jump to the next cell, then press tab. Again jump to the next cell, then press tab. So by pressing tab, we can jump to the next cell. And now we can see we are on the last cell. Now suppose we have to jump to the previous cell, then press shift plus tab. Again press shift plus tab to jump to the previous cell. Again press shift plus tab to jump to the previous cell. So by pressing shift plus tab, we can jump to the previous cell. Now let's see the second shortcut. Let's see how to jump to the first cell in a row and last cell in a row without jumping to the middle cell. So we can see I am in the first cell, and suppose we have to jump to the last cell, then press Alt plus End. We can see I am in the last cell now. Again press Alt plus Home, I am in the first cell in a row. So in this way, by pressing Alt plus Home, we will be in the first cell in a row. By pressing Alt plus End, we will be in the last cell in a row without jumping to the middle cell. Now let's see third example. So in this example, I will show you how to move to the first cell in a column and last cell in a column. So we can see here is the cursor of the mouse in the last cell. So to jump in the first cell in a column, press Alt plus page up. You can see I am in the first cell of the column. Again, to be in the last cell of the column, press Alt plus page down. Again, to be in the first cell in the column, press Alt plus page up. Again, to be in the last cell of the column, press Alt plus page down. So in this way, you can jump to the first cell and last cell of a column by pressing Alt plus page up and by pressing Alt plus page down. Let's see fourth example. Now in this example, I will show you how to jump to the next row and previous row. So you can see I am in the first row, and suppose I have jumped to the next row. Then press down arrow. Again I have to jump to the next row. Then press down arrow. Then again I have to jump to the next row. Then press down arrow. Similarly, if I have to jump to the previous row, then press up arrow. Again press up arrow. Again press up arrow. So by pressing up arrow, we can jump to the previous row, and by pressing down arrow, we can jump to the next arrow.